Hi, this is Jenny with Simply Beautiful Crafts on behalf of Expert Village, and today we're going to make a personalized baby picture frame. For this little picture frame, I used a wreath composed of 6 in the base instead of 7. Usually I use 7, but these were so small that I felt like the smaller base would be better. The first thing you want to do when you're making a picture frame or a wreath is to put your ribbon through it. Start from behind, cross over a joint, come back down, and continue to weave the ribbon in and out until you're all the way around your piece. If you're using a two-sided ribbon, you want to make sure that the ribbon side that you want to show is always up. Once you've completed, you're putting your ribbon all the way through, you're going to lay a bead of hot glue in a seam, hold your ribbon until it's cool, clip off the ends if you need to, and then secure the other end of your wreath. And then what I did this time was to make my bow first. I made just a simple loop bow and put it on the frame. Excuse me, and that way I was able to center my embellishment where I wanted it to be. And then I found this wonderful little packet full of little squares that had letters on them like baby blocks. When you're going to make a name on your personalized wreath, you want to lay that name out so you know how many letters you have, and then find the center. If you have an odd number, obviously you're going to have one that's right in the center. If you have an even number, your center is going to be between 2. And then I put them on the wreath. I didn't want them to be just exactly even, giving it a little more interesting effect. So I laid them on the wreath after I had the ribbon through it, and then I glued them on with my hot glue gun. On a project like this, I like to put the dab of hot glue on the pretzel, and then sometimes it helps with a small object to use a little tweezers to set it on. When I was finished, I took some little pink and some little white flowers and just put them randomly throughout the picture frame. And then I put some in the center of the bow as well. And then to make it a picture frame, you take a piece of tag board, cut it to fit the back, and fix it at the bottom or on the sides and the bottom so that you can slip a picture in. The last thing you want to do is make a hanger for it. I just used this ribbon, made a little loop, and glued it on. And then you're finished. A very, very special, personalized picture frame for that brand new baby.